Okay guys, so we're going to be doing the 0x0 shell application. Okay, so you should know what all these commands do. PWD is to change your to print out your working directory. LS to list content of a directory. CD is to change directory. Less is to view the content of a directory. Touch is to create an empty file. CP is to copy. MV is to move or rename. RM is to remove, make directory. MKDIR is to create a directory, and the one is to remove an empty directory. Okay, so we see the questions, and then it says which one is used to print working directory. PWD to create a directory. MKDIR, and then to create an empty file. Touch to change directory. CD, and also to remove a file. RM, also to list the content of a directory. LS, RM to remove an empty directory. Okay, and then this one is to view the content of a file. Okay, and then this MV is to rename or to move, and also we have CP to copy a file or a directory. All right, so yes, so the first one is to go to the root and create an empty file. So cool. So you copy, so we want to create an empty file. So cool. So you copy this. Normally you're supposed to get a sandbox here. Let's just use this one and click on your web terminal. Okay, so we'll go to cd root, or let me first list it so you can see. So look at your going here, right? So cd into root. Let me increase my screen a bit. Okay, and then we're into our root. Okay, so we create an empty file. So we do touch and so right, and that's all. Then you come here and check your code, start a new test. Okay, so that's done. Close it, go to the next task, and this one says change your current directory to root. Yes, copy the file school to this directory, right? So we'll copy school to /tmp. So you just say copy, then you want to copy this file to self. So you copy school to tmp, right? And you press enter. When you do ls, so we've copied it. So if we go and check our tmp here, we should see the file school. But so let's just check the code and see. Okay, still loading. Okay, so it has done. So the second one is change your working directory to root. Rename the file old school and give it the name new school. So okay, so I want to rename the file old school and give it new school. So I'll just say, let me just copy the new school name, the new name. So we're already there. Okay, so this old school, where is it? I want to give it new school. I'll just say I want to rename. So I'll say MV old school new school. Right? Enter. And that's all. When we list it, see that our old school has become new school. No more old school. Okay, so check your code, start. Okay, so that's done. Go to the next task. It said we should move the file not here to tmp right school. Okay, so what this one does is that it will go into this directory and paste this not here there, and that name it will change it to right school. Okay, so we are moving right, not here. So where's the not here? This not here. So we'll move not here to this, right? And then press enter. And that's all. When we check the TMP file, we'll be able to see all those files. So we've moved two files to TMP so far. So let's check. So that one too is done. Then root, right? So we said delete the file ready to be removed. Okay. So we just say remove ready to be removed, right? Enter, and that's all. You can check our code, start a new test, and that's done. Okay, so the next thing it said change the working directory to root. We are in the root already. Create a directory called school is amazing. So we create this directory. So make directory school is amazing, right? Enter. Okay, so our system just hanged. Okay, ls. So you see that school is amazing, and you see we've removed this, ready to be removed. It's removed. So we can run our checker, and then change your working directory to, and then remove empty directory. You should remove this directory. Okay, it's empty. So if you want to remove directory that is empty, you say remove directory and then the name of the directory, and then press enter, and that should be done. And check your code, start a new test, and that should be all for now. So if you want to see full videos on shell navigation live classes, check on our channel, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Let's wait for this guy to check. Okay, so yeah, so we're done, and voici. So this is all. We're done. 100%, 100%, 100%. Okay, so 100%, 100%, 100%. All right, see you guys. Bye.